This car's so rare, we can't get any bits for it, or hardly any. So, got to start off by making a repair panel to replace this edge here. So I'm just untacking bits of former weld that have been there, and hopefully I'll get enough of a template to make a nice new repair panel. So what I need to do is make sure that when I'm actually making this piece, that I'm not bringing it further out than it should be, or further in, because that's going to affect how the wings actually sit on the rest of the car. So it's got to be right. There's also another little problem here, and that is that this patch here has been added at a later date. So I'm going to have to kind of do a little bit of guesswork here to make sure that I get the shape right. Right, a couple more clamps, I can mark it out at the back. So what I'm doing here is just getting this piece of scrap steel, and I'm just going to clamp it onto my edge there, and that gives me my rough curvature of where I need to mark out. There we are. All marked up, ready to be cut out, and I can start the welding process then. So, roughly speaking, that's my repair panel in just about the position it ought to be in. I've got to do a little bit of work on it to get some of these recesses into it, smooth off the edges, make that a little bit better. So time for a little bit more panel beating around here. So after all that measuring, cutting, grinding, measuring again, grinding a bit more, cutting, measuring, drawing, now's the moment of truth. I've got to get rid of all of this metal outside of here. And if I don't get it right, it's going to mess up absolutely everything. Right, here we go. That'll do.